Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim Special Edition game crashing or crashing at startup, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method, what you need to do is to check the system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to move game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then you are suggested to move the game to SSD. For that, you can easily see it. Go to Steam, now click on settings. After that, go to the storage, and here you will find the games that is installed on SSD or on other drive. So if your game is on other drive, you simply have to select it, and after that click on move option. After you move the game to SSD, now check if the game is opening or not, or the crashing issue is resolved or not. If not, then the next method is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. So here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. But if the issue continues, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. But if still the issue continues, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, launch the game and then check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. The website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it. After opening it, you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. Now after that, you will get setup successful message. Close this, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, again log into the game and check. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, launch the game and check. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where your game has been installed and select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288, and in the maximum size, type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. But if the issue continues, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim Special Edition game, and then try to launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim Special Edition game crashing startup, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.